Hey guys, welcome to Monday Mortgage Madness. I'm Sean LaRue with Franklin Loan Center. I'm having a great day and I hope you are too. Today we're going to be talking about down payment assistance programs and special programs to help you purchase your home in today's market. Today we're going to be talking about FHA, VA, USDA loan programs, Native American direct loan programs, and CalHFA, which is a special down payment assistance program to help first-time home buyers. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys get a lot out of it. Alright, so number one, we have the FHA loan program. Now, FHA financing is really great because it only requires a minimum 3.5% down, and that can go down to a 580 FICO score. What's really great about FHA is that it allows for higher debt to income ratios, lower credit scores, very little down, and it's actually a government insured loan that protects the bank against any losses. One of the really cool things about this is if you've previously had a bankruptcy or a short sale or a foreclosure, and you're interested in purchasing a new primary residence or a property to live in, you can use this program without the 7-year requirement for foreclosures or 4 years for short sales. Conventional financing also requires 4 years for bankruptcies, where FHA only has a 2-year minimum requirement for seasoning on bankruptcies once you have good reestablished credit. That's a really great program, FHA. It's very common and it's used a lot. Alright, the next loan program is the USDA loan. Now, we always call this the rural housing loan or the filet loan. USDA, it just means rural housing. It has nothing to do with prime quality meat or anything like that, but it is a great rural housing program that does have some income limits and eligibility requirements for where the property is actually located. So we'll want to double check and make sure the property you're purchasing is one that qualifies for the USDA eligibility, that your income qualifies for that as well. Now, one of the really great things about the USDA program is that it has a reduced funding fee premium. It also has a reduced monthly mortgage insurance premium when compared to FHA financing. So if you do qualify for that, it's a really great program for 100% financing with a very, very small amount of mortgage insurance. Now, what is different for this program, because it is so good, you've met the income and the property location requirements, you have to meet the minimum 640 FICO score requirement as well. They are a little bit more conservative when it comes to debt to income ratios, but it's a phenomenal program for anybody looking for 100% financing for rural properties. It's just a phenomenal program. The next one is the VA loan program. This is for all of our veterans, and I really like the VA loan program because it does offer 100% financing to our veterans. Thank you so much for all of your support in protecting our freedom. Really appreciate it, and it's phenomenal that we're able to offer this program for 100% financing for our veterans. Now, the VA loan program has kind of a bad rap with sellers, but typically it's because they don't understand how it works, plus they also think it's going to cost the seller extra money in order to get it closed. For more information, direct message me. I'd love to help you out and educate you more on the seller's portion of the VA requirements. So drop a comment below if you have any questions about that, or send me a direct message. I'd love to explain more to you about that. But the VA loan program is one of the best performing loan programs in the nation. Has the best pull-through ratings. It's all full documentation. So it's a phenomenal opportunity to get 100% financing with no monthly mortgage insurance. So if you're a veteran and you have your DD-214 we can work to get your certificate of eligibility so that you can get your VA loan approval as soon as possible. So give me a call. Let me know if you guys have more questions about that. So the next loan program is the Native American Direct Loan Program, which allows 100% financing for Native Americans. It also allows for no monthly mortgage insurance as well. So if you're a Native American and you'd like to get some more information on how you qualify, there are a lot of great opportunities for this loan program as well. And this is a first-time buyer loan program, which also will have great and very low monthly closing costs requirements and a 30-year fixed rate as well. So it's not going to have any of the variable interest rates. Now the last loan program is our CalHFA program. Now CalHFA is a phenomenal loan program. If you have not owned a property in the last 3 years, it is a first-time home buyer program. And first-time home buyer is defined as not having been on title for a property in the last 3 years. So it's a first-time home buyer program. You can go with either FHA or conventional financing on the first mortgage, and then you get a down payment assistance with the My Home program for a 3 or 4% contribution for the down payment assistance. The ZIP program has a 2.5% interest rate on it, but you pay that interest once you actually pay off the loan. It's all consolidated in the month in the payoff demand for that interest. So the ZIP is the third loan. So you'll have the conventional or FHA loan as the first, and then you'll have the My Home as the second, and the ZIP program would be the third. So that helps out with your down payment assistance as well as closing cost credits, so that you can get all the money that you need in order to get in and get closed on a property. I've done this with as little as $500 total cash out of pocket at closing. If you have any questions specifically about the programs that I mentioned in this video, please shoot me a comment or a direct message. I'd love to hear from you. If you think that this could be helpful for somebody, feel free to tag them below, share it with your friends. I love interacting with you guys and getting all that information out there and helping out as much as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, like, forward, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you on all the socials. Stay hungry and stay positive out there. I'll talk to you soon.